learners, I'm Neetu Sharma and I teach English in Government High School Kamalpur, District Sangrur. Children, how do you feel when you fall sick? We feel fatigued, maybe a little depressed, less hungry, and more sensitive to pain and cold. Dear children, today we are going to read a very interesting story, The Last Leaf, written by O. Henry, in which a girl named Johnsy falls sick, and that illness causes lots of psychological and behavioral changes in her. But before proceeding further, let's have a brief overview upon the profile of a writer. William Sidney Potter, better known by his pen name O. Henry, was born on September 11, 1862 and died on June 5, 1910. He was an American short story writer. His stories are known for their surprise endings. Children, before reading further, let's try to know little bit about the story. The Last Leaf, short story by O. Henry, published in 1907 in his collection The Trimmed Lamp and Other Stories. There are three main characters in the story, that is Sue, Johnsy and Behrman. Johnsy, who is seriously ill with pneumonia, believes that when the ivy vine on the wall outside her window loses all its leaves, she will also die. Now let's see who saved her life and how. ਪਿਆਰੇ ਬੱਚਿਓ, ਇਸ ਸਟੋਰੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤਿੰਨ ਮੇਨ ਪਾਤਰ ਹਨ. ਪਹਿਲਾ ਸੂ, ਦੂਸਰਾ ਜੌਨਸੀ ਐਂਡ ਥਰਡ ਵਨ ਇਜ਼ ਬਹਿਰਮਾਨ. ਜੌਨਸੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਬਿਮਾਰ ਹੈ, ਉਸਨੂੰ ਨਿਮੋਨੀਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ. ਉਸਨੂੰ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਸਦੀ ਖਿੜਕੀ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਬੇਲ ਹੈ, ਜਿਸ ਦਿਨ ਉਸ ਬੇਲ ਦੇ ਸਾਰੇ ਪੱਤੇ ਗਿਰ ਜਾਣਗੇ, ਉਸਦੀ ਮੌਤ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗੀ. ਆਓ ਹੁਣ ਦੇਖਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਕਿ ਉਸਨੂੰ ਕੌਣ ਬਚਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਉਸਦੀ ਜ਼ਿੰਦਗੀ ਕੌਣ ਬਚਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਔਰ ਕਿਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਬਚਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ. Dear children, now let's read the text. Sue and Johnsy, two young artists, shared a small flat. The flat was on the third story of an old house. Johnsy fell very seriously ill in November. She had pneumonia. She would lie in her bed without moving, just gazing out of the window. Sue, her friend, became very worried. She sent for the doctor. Although he came every day, there was no change in Johnsy's condition. Explanation: Sue and Johnsy, two young friends and artists, shared a small flat that was on the third story of an old house. It was the month of November when Johnsy fell seriously ill. She was afflicted by pneumonia. She simply lay in her bed and looked out of the window. This left her friend Sue worried. So she called a doctor. The doctor visited every day, but Johnsy's condition did not show any improvement. प्यारे बच्चों, इस पैराग्राफ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੜਿਆ ਕਿ ਸੂ ਔਰ ਜੌਨਸੀ ਦੋ ਫਰੈਂਡਸ ਸੀ ਜੋ ਇਕੱਠੇ ਹੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀਆਂ ਸੀ ਇੱਕ ਪੁਰਾਣੇ ਜਿਹੇ ਘਰ ਦੀ ਤੀਸਰੀ ਮੰਜ਼ਿਲ ਤੇ। ਨਵੰਬਰ ਦਾ ਮਹੀਨਾ ਸੀ। ਜੌਨਸੀ ਬਹੁਤ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਬਿਮਾਰ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਉਸਨੂੰ ਨਿਮੋਨੀਆ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਹੈ। ਉਹ ਸਾਰਾ ਦਿਨ ਆਪਣੇ ਬੈੱਡ ਤੇ ਪਈ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਸੀ ਔਰ ਬਾਹਰ ਖਿੜਕੀ ਤੋਂ ਦੇਖਦੀ ਰਹਿੰਦੀ ਸੀ। ਇਹ ਦੇਖ ਕੇ ਸੂ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਵਰਿਡ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਚਿੰਤਿਤ ਹੋ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ। ਉਹ ਡਾਕਟਰ ਨੂੰ ਬੁਲਾਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ। ਡਾਕਟਰ ਰੋਜ਼ ਆਉਂਦਾ ਹੈ, ਜੌਨਸੀ ਨੂੰ ਦੇਖਦਾ ਹੈ, ਲੇਕਿਨ ਜੌਨਸੀ ਦੀ ਕੰਡੀਸ਼ਨ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੋਈ ਵੀ ਇੰਪਰੂਵਮੈਂਟ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ। Dear children, now let's discuss difficult words. The first word is story. A part of a building comprising all the rooms that are on the same level. Second word is pneumonia. A disease caused due to infection of lungs. Gazing out, looking out, worried, concerned. Condition, position. Now, let's discuss few questions related to this para. Who were Sue and Johnsy? This question is very easy. बच्चों, Sue और Johnsy कौन सी? Yes, Sue and Johnsy were two artists. Second question, that is also very important. What happened to Johnsy? Johnsy ਨੂੰ ਕੀ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ ਸੀ? Johnsy fell very seriously ill. She was afflicted by pneumonia. Now, let's read further. One day, the doctor took Sue aside and asked her, Is anything worrying Johnsy? No, replied Sue. But why do you ask? The doctor said, Johnsy, it seems, has made up her mind that she is not going to get well. If she doesn't want to live, medicines will not help her. Explanation: one day, the doctor told Sue that perhaps Johnsy was depressed and in the absence of her will to live, no medicine would cure her. एक दिन डॉक्टर ने सू ਨੂੰ किया कि इस तरह लगता है कि जॉन्सी ने अपना मन बना लिया है कि उसਨੂੰ कोई चिंता अंदरों ही अंदर खाई जा रही है। अगर वो जीना नहीं चाहती तो शायद दवाइयां भी उसਨੂੰ नहीं बचा सकदियां। Now let's discuss some difficult words. Aside, which means to one side. Replied, answered. Made up, not true or done up. Let's read the text further. Sue tried her best to make Johnsy take an interest in things around her. She talked about clothes and fashions, but Johnsy did not respond. Johnsy continued to lie still on her bed. Sue brought her drawing board into Johnsy's room and started painting. To take Johnsy's mind off her illness, she whistled while working. Explanation: Johnsy was Sue's dear friend, so she made sincere efforts to revive Johnsy's interest in life by talking about clothes and fashion. Sadly, nothing worked. Then she brought her drawing board to Johnsy's room and started painting. She whistled while working so that Johnsy's mind could be taken off her illness. Johnsy ਸੂ ਦੀ ਪਿਆਰੀ ਮਿੱਤਰ ਸੀ। ਉਹ ਹਰ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਉਸ ਦਾ ਇੰਟਰਸਟ ਬਿਮਾਰੀ ਤੋਂ ਦੂਰ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੀ ਸੀ। ਉਹ ਆਪਣਾ ਡਰਾਇੰਗ ਬੋਰਡ ਕਮਰੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੈ ਆਂਦੀ ਹੈ, ਵਿਸਲ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਸੀਟੀ ਬਜਾਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਉਸ ਦਾ ਧਿਆਨ ਉਸ ਦੀ ਬਿਮਾਰੀ ਤੋਂ ਹਟਾ ਕੇ ਬਾਕੀ ਹੋਰ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਤੇ ਲਾ ਸਕੇ। Now let's discuss difficult words. Interest, the feeling of wanting to know or learn about something or someone. Continue it. Ongoing. Lie, recline. Drawing board, a large flat board. Illness, a disease or period of sickness affecting the body or mind. Mind off, to stop thinking about something. Dear children, now let's discuss the question answers related to this para. First question is, why did Sue talk about clothes and fashion? Sue कपड़ियां और फैशन बारे क्यों गल करती है? Sue talked about clothes and fashion because she was trying to cheer up Johnsy, who was depressed due to her illness. ਉਹ ਕਿਉਂ ਕੱਪੜੇ ਔਰ ਫੈਸ਼ਨ ਬਾਰੇ ਗੱਲ ਕਰਦੀ ਹੈ? ਬਿਕੋਜ਼ ਉਹ ਜੌਨਸੀ ਦੇ ਚਿਹਰੇ ਤੇ ਖੁਸ਼ੀ ਲਿਆਣਾ ਚਾਹੁੰਦੀ ਹੈ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਉਸਨੂੰ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਬਿਮਾਰੀ ਕਾਰਨ ਉਹ ਡਿਪਰੈਸਡ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਹੈ, ਉਦਾਸ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਹੈ। Second question, why did Johnsy continue to lie still on her bed? Johnsy लगातार अपने बेड पे क्यों पई हुई है? Johnsy was suffering from pneumonia and was weak and depressed. So she continued to lie still in her bed. जॉन्सी ਨੂੰ ਨਿਮੋਨੀਆ ਹੋਇਆ ਹੈ। ਨਿਮੋਨੀਆ ਕਰਕੇ ਉਹ ਕਮਜ਼ੋਰ ਹੋ ਗਈ ਹੈ, डिप्रेस्ड हो गई है, उदास हो गई है, इसलिए वो बेड पे अक्सर पई रहती है। थर्ड क्वेश्चन इज, व्हाई डिड सू ब्रिंग हर ड्राइंग बोर्ड इनटू जॉन्सीज रूम? सू जॉन्सी दे कमरे विच अपना ड्राइंग बोर्ड क्यों लेके आंदी है? सू brought her drawing board into Johnsie's room to give her company so that she would not to feel lonely. सू इसलिए ड्राइंग बोर्ड लेके आंदी है जॉन्सी दे कमरे विच ताकि ਉਹ ਉਸਨੂੰ ਕੰਪਨੀ ਦੇ ਸਕੇ, ताकि ਉਹ ਉਸਨੂੰ ਸਾਥ ਦੇ ਸਕੇ, ताकि ਉਹ ਇਹ ਮਹਿਸੂਸ ਨਾ ਕਰੇ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਇਕੱਲੀ ਹਾਂ, ਮੈਂ ਲੋਨਲੀ ਹਾਂ। Now let's read the text further. Children, now let's read the text further. Suddenly, Sue heard Johnsy whisper something. She quickly rushed to the bed and heard Johnsy counting backwards. She was looking out of the window and was saying 12. After some time, she whispered 11, then 10, then 9, 8, 7. Sue anxiously looked out of the window. She saw an old ivy creeper climbing halfway up the brick wall opposite their window in the strong wind outside. The creeper was shedding its leaves. Explanation. Suddenly, Sue heard Johnsy whispering. She rushed to her bed and heard that Johnsy was counting backwards while looking out of the window. An anxious Sue looked out too and saw an old ivy creeper was shedding its leaves due to strong winds. इस पैराग्राफ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਲੇਖਕ ਦੱਸਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਅਚਾਨਕ ਸੋਨੂ ਜੌਨਸੀ ਦੀ ਆਵਾਜ਼ ਸੁਣਦੀ ਹੈ। ਉਹ ਦੌੜੀ ਦੌੜੀ ਉਸਦੇ ਬੈੱਡ ਕੋਲ ਜਾਂਦੀ ਹੈ। ਉਹ ਦੇਖਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਜੌਨਸੀ ਉਲਟੀ ਗਿਣਤੀ ਗਿਣ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਉਹ ਖਿੜਕੀ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਹਰ ਦੇਖਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇੱਕ बहुत ही पुरानी ਆਈਵੀ ਕ੍ਰੀਪਰ ਇੱਕ ਪੁਰਾਣੀ ਬੇਲ ਦੇ ਪੱਤੇ ਹਵਾ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਗਿਰ ਰਹੇ ਹਨ। Children, now let's discuss difficult words. Suddenly, quickly, or unexpectedly. Whisper, murmur, speak very softly. Rushed, done or completed too hurriedly. Anxiously, in a manner resulting from or revealing anxiety. Creeper, a plant that grows along the ground or up walls or tree. Shedding, fall off. Dear children, now let's discuss the question answer related to this para. What was Johnsy counting? Johnsy की गिन रही सी. Johnsy was counting the leaves of ivy creeper. Johnsy ivy creeper, ivy बेल दे पत्ते गिन रही सी. Second question. Why was doctor confused about Johnsy illness? Doctor क्यों confused सी Johnsy दी बीमारी ਨੂੰ ਲੈ ਕੇ? The doctor was confused because no medicine was proving effective on Johnsy. Doctor इसलिए confused ਸੀ कि कोई भी ਦਵਾਈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਸੀ ਉਹ ਜੌਨਸੀ ਦੇ ਉੱਤੇ ਪ੍ਰਭਾਵ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਾ ਰਹੀ ਸੀ। ਉਸ ਦੀ ਬਿਮਾਰੀ ਉਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਹੀ ਸੀ ਜਿਸਦਾ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਦਿਨ ਸੀ। Dear children, now let's read further. What is it, dear? Sue asked. 6, whispered Johnsy. They are falling faster now. 3 days ago, there were almost 100 leaves. There are only 5 left now. It is autumn, said Sue, and the leaves will fall. When the last leaf falls, I will die, said Johnsy with finality. I have known this for the last 3 days. Explanation. Sue asked Johnsy what she was counting. Johnsy replied that she was counting the leaves on the creeper, which were almost 100 till 3 days ago. But now only 5 were left. Sue said falling of leaves was normal since it was autumn. However, Johnsy revealed her shocking fear that when the last leaf fell, she too would die. Sue ਜੌਨਸੀ ਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਗਿਣ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਜੌਨਸੀ ਆਨਸਰ ਦਿੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਪੱਤੇ ਗਿਣ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਬਾਹਰ ਖਿੜਕੀ ਤੋਂ ਬੇਲ ਲੱਗੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ। ਉਹ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਦੱਸਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ 3 ਦਿਨ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਇਸ ਬੇਲ ਤੇ 100 ਪੱਤੇ ਸੀ ਔਰ ਹੁਣ ਸਿਰਫ 5 ਰਹਿ ਗਏ ਨੇ। ਤਾਂ ਸੂ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ ਕਹਿੰਦੀ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਹ ਤਾਂ ਨਾਰਮਲ ਹੈ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਇਹ ਪਤਝੜ ਹੈ, ਇਹ ਆਟਮ ਹੈ। लेकिन जॉन्सी अपना डर उसके सामने खोलती है। वो कहती है जिस दिन आखिरी पत्ता गिरेगा उस दिन उसकी मौत हो जाएगी। Let's discuss difficult words. Whispered. Speak very softly. Autumn. Season after summer, before winter. Finality. The fact or impression of being final and irreversible. Dear children, now let's discuss the questions and answers related to this paragraph. First, what fear did Jhansi have in her mind? Jhansi ਦੇ ਦਿਮਾਗ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਡਰ ਸੀ? She feared that she would die on the day when the last leaf on the creeper fell. ਉਸਦੇ ਦਿਮਾਗ 'ਚ ਇਹ ਡਰ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਜਿਸ ਦਿਨ ਆਖਰੀ ਪੱਤਾ ਗਿਰੇਗਾ ਉਸਦੀ ਵੀ ਹੀ ਮੌਤ ਹੋ ਜਾਏਗੀ. Second question, what was happening to the leaves on the creeper outside Jhansi's window? Creeper ਦੇ ਪੱਤੇ ਕਿਉਂ ਝੜ ਰਹੇ ਸਨ? The leaves were falling because of the extreme cold and strong winds. पत्ते इसलिए चढ़ रहे थे बिकॉज बहुत ज्यादा ठंड सी और बहुत तेज हवा चल रही सी. Dear children, this is all for this session. But before winding up, your homework for today is learn difficult words with their meanings. And the rest of the story we will discuss in next session. Thank you. See you soon.